Are you searching for the best car DSP amplifier? In this video, we will look at the 5 best car DSP amplifier, which save you time and money. Number 1. PUZU PZ-C7 Wiring Harness 4x150W Car DSP Amplifier. Features: PUZU High Power Car Amplifier DSP Audio Processor Lossless Audio Modified Subwoofer 4CH and 6CH Out, Exclusive High Definition Sound Quality Processing Chip, High Quality Car DSP Audio Processing Power Amplifier, Correction of Sound Quality, Correction and Compensation of Sound Loss and Delay during Transmission, Restore the Sound Shape, Restore the original waveform phase in the source signal, make the treble, mid-tone, and bass in the music spectrum more natural and full, and rich in detail and expressiveness, enhancing bass. Bass is more vigorous and fuller, full of rhythm. Sound effect: 3D stereo surround sound effect increases the texture and space of the original sound, which is comparable to hi-fi audio.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 2. Sennuopu Car DSP Processor. The car amplifier DSP DPX10 packs high-quality audio media player, amplifier and digital signal processor into a compact. Designed to simplify great audio, every amplifier combines advanced switching amplifier technology with an integrated, full-featured digital signal processor. DPX10 is a high sound quality audio media player, Hi-Fi BT 5.0 player audio scheme application, UDisc playback input, USB audio input, optical input. DPX10 is a 4-channel power amplifier.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 3. PUZU Car DSP Amplifier built-in 4CH to 6CH. This product is non-destructive audio car modification of new products, exclusive use of quad-core 32-bit DSP processing chip, nanosecond processing speed, DRC dynamic music processing, using DSP computer tuning technology. Lossless installation, easy tuning, take up a small space, 15-band EQ floating point high-precision tuning system, high and low-pass filter, adjustable sound field delay to achieve spatial editing, gain control, phase control, harmonic function, limiting function, built-in Bluetooth, support mobile phone to play lossless music, 8 storage modes.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. AutoCube 9-band graphic equalizer digital car audio. AutoCube 9-band graphic equalizer digital car audio ADLEQ9 full-range car amplifier equalizer with adjustable filter.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Latest 4x90W Car DSP Amplifier. Latest 4x90W Car DSP Amplifier with wiring harness 16-pin Android Universal Cable Car Radio Sound Upgrade Audio Signal Processor.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.